How to fix Spotify not opening. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go now directly to apps, and on apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and then go directly to storage option. Then go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.